This Seven Shirazi. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, self-righteousness. What is self-righteousness? What is this ideology? What are the salient features? What is the main idea behind it? What is self-righteousness? Um, it is a pledge. It is an oath that one takes with himself, um, that I won't get suppressed or oppressed by anyone, uh, anything, or any scenario in my life. If things are against me, things are in my favor, whatever the reason, whatever the situation, I'm not going to get oppressed or suppressed by anyone. This is not a superiority complex, this is not an inferiority complex. It is an ideology of a balanced human being, of a person. It's a choice. Once you take that choice, no matter whatever the situation, no matter whatever the scenario, you're not going to get suppressed or repressed by anyone. You're not going to take life for granted. You're not going to take situations for granted. You're not going to take anything for granted. You're not going to bow down to anyone. You're not going to make. Uh, uh, you're not going to worship anyone. You stand for what's right. You stand against what's wrong. You'll tell to anyone to their faces that this is right and that is wrong. You're not going to make any lobbies. You're not going to make any uh, groups. You're not in any group. You're not in any lobby. You're honest. You're self-righteous. You are uh, a believer in religion, and in the self-righteous part of religion, the religion and the religious characters, the religious people that stood for what's right, that stood for what against what was wrong, and all those things that were self-righteous, according to the definition of self-righteous righteousness that I've just stated before. It is not that we criticize or look down at people. No, 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 no. That is not the reason. That we are always talking about people or backbiting. No, no, no. It is because of our ideology, the balance system that is within here. We are going to state what is right, and just like the way we see it, we hear it, we understand it. What is right would be said even if it's the last thing that we utter out of our mouth, and this is the last thing that is given to us as a choice in life. It will remain there. What's wrong is wrong. No matter if it's done by my father, no matter if it's done by any person, what's wrong is wrong. If anyone is doing, there is no excuses. There is no biasness. There is no gaming. That this happened because of the environment, this that happened because of the environment, and this was not right, and this. No, 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 no. These are bloody bullshit arguments. No, 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 no. What's right is gun barrel straight right. What's wrong is gun barrel straight wrong. There is no bullshitting about things. What a person has done, he has to face the music for that, and he has to be held responsible for that. Lying, cheating, stealing, fraud, corruption, failures in character regarding anything. Uh, these are uh, these are are very serious crimes. You cannot just look over them and say, "Oh, this happened because of that," and maybe this happened because of that. No, 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 no. This is not the case. Uh, this reality shows us the face of people. This reality shows us the face of their family, their character, their DNA, the product that they were from their forefathers until now. And that is what the distinguishedness and being distinguished is. These morals are important. And this is what life and this is what self righteousness means. For few people, for the right families, for the right bloodlines, it's always been like this. It will always remain like this. And it is not because of some superiority complex or doing things for show off. No, this is naturally inbuilt characteristics. Face the music, face the reality. If you're not that good enough, don't act or don't try to bring other people to that standard because you don't have those standards. You can't raise them. You never had them. And if you have those standards, then thank your parents or forefathers for that. Seven Chiragi, self righteousness.